Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your password on an Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled Passwords and Security. Tap on it to continue. Step 3. Next, within the Passwords and Security menu, look for and tap on the Screen Lock option on your display. Step 4. You'll now be prompted to enter your current password. Go ahead and type in your current password to proceed. Step 5. Once you're in, you'll see 3 different Screen Lock options: Pattern, PIN, and Password. Tap on the option you'd like to set. For instance, if you want to switch to a pattern lock, just tap on Pattern. You may need to wait a few seconds for this change to process. Step 6. Now tap on Got It to continue. Then draw the pattern you want to set. To confirm, you'll need to draw the pattern once more. Step 7. Finally, tap on Confirm on your display to save your new password or pattern. Your password has now been successfully changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.